Messe Frankfurt aims to handle waste and recyclable materials as sustainably as possible. A lot of recyclable materials are generated during setup and dismantling, and even small measures can have a big impact. So please think holistically. A stand that can be easily dismantled and reused is a huge investment in a sustainable future. If you do need materials that can only be used once, then please choose materials that are easy to separate and recyclable. Please think in advance about how you will deal with the issue of packaging and waste. Perhaps you can pack your exhibits with less filling and padding material and use sustainable alternatives. You can find many companies that produce sustainable products for your packaging and transport. When planning your event, make sure you book the right waste disposal in our shop for exhibitor services. In the section Services, Waste Disposal, select which material you would like to have collected from your stand: mixed waste, wood or carpet. You can also order different sizes of roll containers. Setting up a trade fair can be stressful, but there are a few things that everyone can pay attention to during setup and dismantling. Find out about collection points in the hall for hazardous waste such as leftover paint. Talk to our waste consultants. We offer these services at many of our trade fairs. And have your empties collected, even during setup. Please keep lifts and emergency exits clear at all times. Offices from our hall managers, stairwells and entrances should also be accessible. Place containers and stand construction materials on your stand area. If the aisles are blocked, waste cannot be removed from the halls. And what happens to waste on my stand during the event? If you order daily cleaning in the shop for exhibitor services, waste disposal from your stand is included. If you do not book the cleaning service, you are responsible for putting the waste in the hall aisle after the trade fair closes. This waste is collected during the nightly hall cleaning. Recycling is very important to us. Once the roll containers have been collected from our exhibition center, the contents are professionally sorted by our partner, recycled accordingly and returned to the resource cycle. The mechanical sorting process has been perfected to such an extent that it is completely sufficient for you to sort your waste on site into mixed waste, wood and carpet. For example, plastics for the manufacture of drainage pipes are obtained from the gangway carpets at our events. Sustainability is only possible if everyone pitches in together. We have already taken numerous steps to make our trade fairs more environmentally friendly. Help us to become even better. Together we can make a difference, and that's what matters.